Welcome to the Turf Zone podcast. This episode features the article VTC Blows Away Leaf Blower Ban by Beck Stanley, VTC Executive Director. The Virginia General Assembly once again heard multiple bills seeking to allow localities to ban gas-powered leaf blowers and other equipment essential to our industry. This bill has become what we call a perennial bill, as it returns every January like clockwork. Thanks to the support of membership and partner organizations, we have been able to delay and significantly reduce the impacts of this bill over the last several years. I found myself overjoyed, at times even breaking into grins at the outcome this year when the legislature tabled the measure until 2027 in the House and outright killed the bill in the Senate. The bill blew away when we pointed out that electric blowers require batteries that must be charged by gas-powered generators. Proponents of leaf blower bans will be back with more aggressive legislation in the future, and we must stay in the fight, pointing out the many environmental benefits of managed turf, erosion control, water filtration, and in the case of leaf removal, important mold prevention that protects the health of children and pets. As you discuss this issue in your home communities, please keep such details in mind. Currently, the only locality in Virginia that has successfully enacted a ban is Alexandria, and it was upheld by a Republican-controlled Attorney General's office in a 2025 opinion. Like many other issues we lobby, this is another where we must educate members from all sides of the political sphere. While the day is coming when these bans reach other places, there is much we can do to prepare in the meantime. After all, many other states watch Virginia's early legislative session each year and get ideas for new laws in their states. We must keep in mind, the stakes are high in Virginia, and our success or failure here can have ripple effects for our partners across the country. What made this year's bill different is how it was originally written. It can only offer the option to ban to localities with a population density of 2,500 residents per square mile. But I'd like to take this opportunity to explain to readers how legislators, in this case Delegate Rip Sullivan, set negotiating markers in bills with the intent to later change, alter, delay, or amend the legislation. I do not know if this is what Delegate Sullivan is trying to do, but it sure seems like it. He is a skilled legislator well familiar with these tactics. Thankfully, we are too. As the bill comes back next year to blow its way through the lengthy process, committees, subcommittees, floor votes, crossover to the Senate, and plenty of scrutiny along the way, the patron could decide to adjust this population density criteria, add new language, or strike the bill altogether. The latter would provide our members with the time needed to prepare for the coming electric equipment migration. We have pointed out to his staff that, unfortunately, premature implementation of gas-powered bans impacts our smallest members the most. These are members who often have the least resources on hand to afford expensive new electric blowers, batteries, charging infrastructure, and repairs. I believe he is sympathetic to that reality and has good intentions, so I won't be posting up outside his office charging my batteries with a loud gas-powered generator anytime soon. In conclusion, we have to be realistic about evolving laws and plan accordingly. The reality today is that battery life is not yet advanced enough to meet the needs of the industry. As those batteries improve, costs come down, and run times increase, the transition to electric blowers begins to make more sense. In the meantime, enjoy the grins and this small victory on your behalf. You have been listening to the Turf Zone podcast. Follow the Turf Zone on X, Facebook, and LinkedIn for all things turfgrass, featuring podcasts, magazines, events, and more. Visit www.theturfzone.com for more.